To create a custom template on Questionpaper.ai, first go to Template section and select Create New. So let's say I'm creating a template for an internal examination. So begin by entering the necessary details such as the template name and its description. So for instance, I'll name the template as internal examination. Then in description, I'll describe the sections including like 3 sections with MCQ, short essay and long essay questions. Now choose the institute type, whether it is school, college or others. So by default, it might be set to college. So for this demonstration, I am opting for college as the institute type. Then enter the institute name as ABC College of Arts and Science. Next, specify the evaluation type, whether it is based on marks or grades. So for this example, I'll select marks. Now enter the duration of the examination in minutes. I'll set it to 60 minutes. After entering all the general details, now proceed to enter the section specifics. So first enter the section name. So you have the flexibility to name it as you prefer, whether it's part A, part 1, section 1 or any other designation. So for this demonstration, I'll label it as part A. Next, select the section type. So you have various options to choose from based on your requirements, such as answer all questions, answer any questions, alternate questions, 1 each, 2 each, 3 each. So in this section, I'll choose answer all questions. Next, select the question type. You will find various question types available, including multiple choice questions, true or false questions, fill in the blanks questions, answer in one word questions, short answers, short essay, long essay questions, case study questions, paragraph based questions, and survey questions. So for this demonstration, I'll select multiple choice questions. Now enter total questions. So here you have to enter the total number of questions that are expected to be in this section. So here I am entering 10 as the total number of questions. Following that, enter the questions to be answered. So this indicates the number of questions that need to be answered out of the total questions. Since I have selected answer all questions in the section type, I will enter 10 as the same number, aligning with the total questions. However, if alternative or any questions were selected in this section type, you would input the relevant number of questions accordingly. Next, proceed to enter the marks for each question. For instance, I am inputting 1, which indicates that each question in this section carries 1 mark. Here, under every section, you have the flexibility to personalize the instructions for the question paper. So by default, the question paper includes certain instructions. However, if you prefer to replace them with your custom instructions, you have the option to do so. You can add such instructions under custom instruction. Moreover, if needed, you can add instructions in different languages. So suppose if I am creating this template for an Hindi exam, then here I can add custom instructions in Hindi language as shown in the video. If your question paper consists of multiple sections, you can add them one by one using the Add Section option given below. So select Add Section and follow the same process similar to Section 1. For instance, I am adding 2 additional sections for short essay and long essay questions. So here, just like Section 1, enter a section name following by other details. Once all the required sections and details have been added, click the Save button to create the template. So now the template has been successfully customized. You can view the customized template listed in the Templates tab. So this is how you create a custom template on Questionpaper.ai. Thank you.